But your friend is cancel your motorcycle. Oh, no. Oh, split. So little English. I know speak that. You speak Tagalog? Oh, yo? Meron Tagalog but small. Then your children is, no, wala. Wala. It's wala pera. Wala sweetheart. What's your country, sir? What's your country? I love Michigan. But tourists? Here and tourists? Yun ang mahirap. Pag hindi ka marunong ka. English ng sunod-sunod. So sa lahat ng pinag-aaral dyan, mag-aaral kayo. Ito ay mag-English.